How to enable dark mode in Pinterest. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how to enable dark mode in Pinterest. To enable dark mode in Pinterest, you need to follow these steps. So what here you need to do is actually the Pinterest app itself does not have these options. So when you go to the profile section, click on the profile initials or tap the three dot icon and go to settings. You could find no such option as to go ahead and make changes with your theme. So what you have to do is you have to use the device's built-in feature. So exit out of this page and then you simply want to swipe up from the top and then you want to swipe towards your left. Now this actually depends on the type of device. So you might have to actually in some cases go to the settings of your device itself, or you could simply swipe down and then go to the dark theme section. Now close this up, open up your Pinterest, and here you go. So this way you'll be able to make changes with your theme in Pinterest. So you just have to use the built-in devices settings or the built-in devices feature. So that's it. I hope your video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.